Now that we covered both firewall for Windows and Linux, let's see how we can open a firewall on macOS device. Now, firewall on macOS device is a little bit different in a sense that you don't really need it compared to Windows and Linux, where using firewall is recommended. But first of all, to start it, you go right here, you go System Preferences, and in this menu, you want to navigate to the Security and Privacy tab. Here you will see this tab that says Firewall, and to simply turn it on, all you want to do is click this button. Now, if you have it like this, blocked out, where you can't really click it, you want to click on this lock right here, and you want to input the password for your account. Once you do that, it will unlock the settings and you can turn it on by clicking on this button. For me, it's currently turned on. And down here it says the description, which is the firewall is turned on and set up to prevent unauthorized applications, programs, and services from accepting incoming connections. Now, if you want to take a look at these options that are being set, you can click on Firewall Options. Now, by default, it will look something like this. I don't think that you will have this enable stealth mode on. It might be turned off, but if you want to, for even more security, you do need to turn this on. As it says, the stealth mode simply doesn't respond or acknowledge attempts to access this computer from the network by test applications using ICMP such as ping. For example, when someone tries to ping you to discover whether your device is on, it won't show them. Now, the ideal secure settings would be to block all incoming connections. It says blocks all incoming connections except those required for basic internet services such as DHCP and IPsec. But for the personal use, you don't need to have this on. This will be more than enough. And if you want to add an application or software to this list, you can simply click on plus, select the application and choose whether you want to allow or block the connections. And once you're done with these settings, you can simply click on OK. And that is how easy it is to turn on firewall on macOS device. Nonetheless, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lecture.